mainly statistics stuff, where you can't go out and ask everybody what they're most likely to buy, so you have to deal with margin of error and stuff like that. And this table helps to a certain extent because it shows the number of people that they ask for each group, and that will let you determine, basically how accurate the data is. Because it's like the margin of error is based on the number of people you've asked versus the total group size. And I will turn this over to Peter for decision tables.
I'll be talking to you about the decision tables. First, according to Christian Woolver, the author of the textbook that we use, Writing for Technical Professions, she defines decision tables as a kind of table that is used to indicate the reader's choice of an issue. Then we have different kinds of decision tables, but the most common of which is the if-then kind of a table, where we basically have two columns, one of which is a if column, and the other is the then column. So now this kind of a table basically we have two columns. This kind of table basically tells you that if you want to do X, that's on one column, then on the other column you will should be able to do the following procedure on the Y column. So this is an example of an if-then decision table where you have the ifs on one column, the then on the other column. So if you want to print a current print set as an example, then you do the following. Then we have different applications of decision tables. That's one of the applications that is basically used in computer science and programming, where you apply pseudocodes and stuff in a table like that, where you basically set up your ideas in this form where for someone who is of age less than 18, then you will assign a service of this or that or whichever, and then someone else who's of between this age kind of service. So these are the applications of decision tables, where you could acquire knowledge through such a table. You could get information from such a table. You could also use such a table to validate and verify problems in a specification. Let's say you could check for contradictions, inconsistency, incompleteness, redundancy, and all that. Thirdly, you could also make decisions based on decision tables. Then you could also represent complex information easily on a decision table, which is basically easy to read out and follow. Then you could also analyze and design a system, and already I told you about in computer science, where you can present your data in a decision table. And that's the sources that we use. That concludes our presentation.
Any questions for these folks?
Why make your students talk that much?
Yeah, I was wondering that myself.
Yeah.
He's actually playing a crucial role in our group in heading off the paper. So
Oh, he's gonna do this.
that's why we didn't give him too much.
Did you know
I
that
didn't want to
before
stress
this
him out
minute?
before.
They got you, Adam.
It's really important.
Ready for the final group, minus one member. So if Ahmed's ready, we're ready.
All right. Hello, we are the yellow group. This is William. This is Key. Caitlin is not present, and I'm Shane. We're going to be talking about Gantt charts, line drawings, and photographs. We're going to basically explain to them what they are, how they're used, how you make them, and the potential issues that you may have if you use them. I'm going to talk about Gantt charts. Here's an example of a Gantt chart that is used for, it outlines what steps you need to take for together an advertisement that you're gonna run. Gantt chart is a version of a bar chart that's used to break down project schedule. They're used to help the reader recognize start and finish dates and critical milestones of a project. They easily display the dependency relationship between the different milestones in the project, the sequence in which they need to be completed. They're also used to show the current status in the project. Sometimes a Gantt chart will have like a % complete that's with it, or they'll have like a progression line that every day it moves down so you know exactly where you are and compared to where you need to be. When are Gantt charts used? They're used to provide graphical diagram of a project schedule to help plan, coordinate, and track your milestones. Most common use of Gantt charts is for project management. They're very useful